Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on creating a Python code to PDF converter using the reportlab library. This tutorial will guide you through the process of installing the necessary library, creating a simple Python script, and converting your code into a PDF file. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. Open a terminal and install the reportlab library using the following command. Create a new Python script, example code _to PDF converter.py, and open it in your favorite code editor. Add the following code to your Python script. This code will read a Python script file and convert its contents into a PDF file. Save the script and run it using the following command in the terminal. This script takes an input Python code file, example _code.py in this case, and generates a PDF file, code _output.pdf, with the code formatted. Feel free to customize the script according to your needs. You can modify the appearance of the PDF, add additional metadata, or even incorporate syntax highlighting libraries for more visually appealing results. ChatGPT.